Hello, my name is Exxabite, and today I'm going to be showing you a design for computer RAM that uses command blocks and is way faster than my original design that uses Redstone. So as you can see, there is a physical control panel, but we're not going to be using that because this has the ability to be manipulated through commands through scoreboards. So we can set the address here. It's currently at 600. We can set it to 0, and that armor stand will snap to there. And then we can see the value written there as a scoreboard, and it is 40. If we can set this to 1, moves forward a bit. We can see it's 0. Set it 2, moves forward again. And since it's the same value, we'll see it's 40 again. And if we were to want to write something, we'd go to like 3. Then we would go to set the write value in the IO, set that to 1, and then we need to set the input value, which is currently 0, and it is writing that. So we go to, let's see if I have it in here. Okay, I think I set the I. If I set the I to 1, there we go. See, and it writes that value in binary into the physical block. If we set this to 2, I set to that. I set it to 200, and it'll set it to that. Then we can turn off the writing and set it to move on. And now we've just written something, and we can read all through commands and scoreboards. Now it's been a while since I actually made this, so I don't quite remember what all of these command blocks do. But how it works is essentially when you set the address to something, it'll then split it up into an X and Y coordinate, and that'll be like along here. Then it teleports this armor stand to right here, and then depending on what the X and Y coordinates are, it'll then teleport it out however many X coordinates you need, and then teleport out how many Y coordinates you need, and then it'll be at that address. And then once it's at the address, you can then write from the IO values, and then I have things like over here that'll convert the scoreboard into the actual binary information engraved in this big giant chunk of stone. And now another advantage to this is its speed. So and I currently have it writing 4 to its current location, so this is 4, but then if I power this command block right here, it'll increment the location by 1 every tick. So when I power it, then you can see it just constantly writing 4 to everything. Here we go, and that dirt block disappeared, and it'll just keep writing that through. And if I chop that out and set it back to there, and then this command block will increment the amount it's writing by 1. So if I place it here, then you'll see it writes lots of information there and continues to write it through. I can then stop it, set it back to 0, and then I can stop it from writing. And then if I were to just have it run through, we'll see the number constantly change over there, as well as this thing down here, which displays, if I at least set back to 0, then we can see it displaying the values, and it's like really fast, way faster than anything you could get with Redstone. And as you can see, there's quite a few command blocks. I'm not going to say what all of them do, partly because that would take a long time, and partly because I built this a while ago and I don't actually remember what all of them do. But if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like, and if you've liked this Minecraft computer series, then I do have another project I've been working on that I'm going to be making a video about for my 100 subscriber special, which should be coming up pretty soon. So if you haven't already, subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss that video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!